Hi everyone, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. My name is Peggy from One Pay Court and I am so happy to have you on here. It's a beautiful day outside. We have temperatures in the 50s and I think towards the middle of the week or ending of the week we're supposed to hit like 60 something or so. So pretty pumped about that. How are you all doing? Hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are and you have beautiful weather. So from the title of my video, I will be doing an unboxing and we've been wanting to make this purchase for quite a while now and we finally did. It's not a huge piece, but it's something that we needed to do for our family. This would work for our family better. And so excited to unbox that and show you and a few other pieces that I got from my home as well. And we're gonna start it and you tell me in the comment section what you think. I hope you love it as much as I do. And without further ado, let's just jump right into it. And here it is, our new counter stools. Isn't it just gorgeous? I love it so much. Love the curved design, the rich black velvet upholstery, and the gold steel base. Counter stools we had before were beautiful, but we wanted to elevate the look, of our kitchen because we're actually doing a kitchen renovation, and I can't tell you how excited I am about it. So giddy, and I will share the process with you guys pretty soon. So yeah, pretty excited about that. But these chairs were just perfect and much easier to manage, especially with the kids. We wanted them to be able to eat and just not have to worry about making spills because they are kids, and yeah, just feel comfortable eating, and they're so much more easier to clean. So yeah, pretty happy about that, and I will be sharing a video of how I clean them in subsequent videos, so stay tuned for that as well. And what do we have in this box? Well, let's see. If you've been following me on Instagram for a while now and my other channels, you will know that I have an unhealthy obsession with ginger jars. I am completely obsessed with ginger jars, and I've been looking for one that is different in style, and I saw this one and fell absolutely in love with it. And yeah, just it's a really beautiful ginger jar. Love the color, love the pattern on it, and you wait and see. Look at that. Isn't she pretty? Love. I did a quick cleanup of my coffee station and moved the tray that I have right now over closer to my stovetop, and brought this big marble tray over here. So I got all my spring flowers from Hobby Lobby. They always have a great selection of flowers, in my opinion, and be sure to check them out or purchase flowers when they have their 40% off, which I think is like every other week or so, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, every other week. So yeah, so you don't have to spend a ton of money on fall flowers, and yeah. Here's a kitchen hack. I am not a fan of, or rather, I don't like outlets on my backsplash. I know they're important, but they just don't look aesthetically pleasing to me. I know they're functional, but just don't look so great. So I typically use an art piece to conceal that. So there you go. Of my Michael Aram paper towel holder. I hope I'm pronouncing his name right. I think it's Aram or maybe Aram, I'm not sure, but yeah, I really love this paper towel holder. It's very unique, it's different. It's a little on the pricey side though, I will tell you. His pieces are really gorgeous, but a little pricey. So yeah, and that's I really love this one. So done styling. Love how everything looks. It's simple yet very elegant, and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I will link everything, my bar stools, the new ginger jar, everything in my kitchen if you're interested in purchasing. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that button and notification bell so you know when next I upload another video. Have a fabulous day everyone, and see you all in my next video. Cheers guys.